Hi everyone, so I live in Bell, which is one of 2 freshman girl dormitories. This is the hall I live on. There's about 18 to 20 different girls along with our RA, and we share a communal bathroom. Once you come in from the main door, because we do live on first floor, I'm one of the first rooms right off, which is very nice. We just decorated a door that our RA had set up for us on the first day, and then me and my roommate chose to add our Greek letters. Once you come in, you'll see an overlay of our room. We did decide to loft our beds just to add a little bit more space because it was kind of small on move-in day. Over here, we have my closet. It is open closet. You'll get 50-50 about walled-in closets and open closets in Vail. It will come with 1 rack. You can choose to add another one if you'd like to add storage. I chose not to. And then we added some artwork and some different things just to personalize the room. Every person does get their own bed, a desk, a dresser, and a closet. I decided to go and add some more storage and shoe storage down here, and then we went ahead and decided to stack our dressers as well just to save space. My roommate did bring a TV, so we have some storage under there. We also added an ottoman in the middle just to have more storage once again, and a rug to add a little bit of hominess to the room. We store our food in our fridge and a cart under my bed, as well as some baskets under our couch, which folds out into a futon bed, and it has been a lifesaver. I already had a sister and some friends stay on it. And yes, my bed is fairly tall, but I'm still tall at 6 foot and I have yet to hit my head, so you can do it. This is my roommate's side, so I won't show too much of that. And then every room does also come with a mirror. So here's our communal bathroom. When you go in, you'll see 4 shower stalls on the left, as well as 3 sinks and a fairly large mirror. And on the right, there are 3 bathroom stalls and another 3 sinks and a fairly large mirror. And underneath, we just store our different caddies if you'd like to, not required. It's just more convenient for getting stuff for your shower and getting ready throughout the day. On our hall, you'll just see some different decorations that Ari's put up that go along with the season. Right now, we're counting down the days to spring break as we're getting fairly close. And then over here, since we are on the first floor, we have a laundry room. And in here, not very organized at the moment, but you'll see that we have 6 washers and 6 dryers. And this is for the whole of the west side. There's another laundry room on the first floor of East Vail. Now going into Vail's lobby, here we have a movie room that's available to save to watch movies or air The Bachelor is a common thing to do on Monday nights. And there's a bunch of beanbag chairs in there. You can just go and watch TV, which is great if you don't have one in your room. And here's the outlay of our lobby. It's fairly large. It is pretty lit right now because it is a common study spot and I didn't want to disrupt anyone. However, it's also a hangout spot during meal times, or certain evenings of the week, and on the weekends as well. So a good bit of both happens. There's a pool table over there. That's where our RA's office is, and just a kitchen around the corner as well, which I'll show you, that can be used to bake if you so wish to do so. So yeah, pretty big. It's a nice place to catch up on campus, see friends and all that. We do have ice available to us, as well as an oven and some drink machines and just a little common room to use. And this is one of my friends' room who lives in Pittman, which is the other freshman dormitory on campus. And once you open the door, you'll just see that there's a small hallway with some storage in it, which is great. And then they have their own bathroom that is shared with another suite. And then this is their room. You come in and you can just see how they've set up their room. Very cute, 2 beds, similar to Vail in that. This is an example of what a walled-in closet would look like. So they chose to put a TV up here, but then it actually has an outlay of wood, so you can use shower curtains, etc. to cover it up. And yeah, that's basically the spacing of what Pittman would look like. Okay, so this is a typical tried-out room, which is one of the sororities on campus. You have 2 different closets along the first wall, and then you'll get your own bathroom in here. And then this is just kind of an overlay of the room. It's a little bit bigger than a Vail room, but still pretty nice. So my friend Jolie was kind enough to let us see it. She lives here. And over here is what we call Beeson Woods. This is where all of our sophomore, junior, and senior living is, other than West Campus. And as you can see, there's quite a few different quads. It's set up apartment style, so you each get your own room and then share a living room and kitchen, and you have your own bathroom.